Hi, I'm Bryan Carey of Concept Model Trains. Both N-Scale and HOE use 9mm spacing. Because the track utilises that common element, we can actually design a layer that works at N-Scale, and then by changing the scenery and also buildings, we can then quickly convert it into something that's suitable for HOE. If you want to know more, just have a look at this video. Catch ya! The N-Scale version of this layer uses a Japanese theme. The buildings are all made by Tomytec. Trains are a mixture of Kato and Tomix. They cover a range of different eras. Trams and cars are from Tomytec. The HOE version of this layout is set in Austria. Rolling stock is from the companies Liliput and Roco. Trams are made by Leopold Halling. Buildings are by Rivarossi and Liliput. If you would like to know more about the track design used for the layout, download the AnyRail file that you'll find in the description.